Hello student, science first second chapter periodic classification of element. In that we are studying about the periodic trends in modern periodic table. We have already studied the first property valency. Now we will study the periodic trend of atomic size in modern periodic table. What is atomic size? Size of an atom is indicated by its radius. Size of atom of any element is indicated by its radius. What is the radius of the atom? Atomic radius is the distance between nucleus of the atom and its outermost shell. Atomic radius is the distance between the nucleus of atoms and its outermost shell. Whatever the distance between nucleus and outermost shell, that is called as the atomic radius of the atom. Unit to express the atomic radius is picometer. In short, we call it as pm. Atomic radius is expressed in the unit picometer, which is smaller than the nanometer. 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 meter. 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 meter. Means atomic size of element depend upon its atomic radius. Atomic radius is the distance between atomic nucleus and its outermost shell, and its unit of atomic radius is picometer. 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 m. Now we will study the periodic trend in about the atomic size in modern periodic table. First we will study the atomic radius, atomic size in the periods. In periods, while going from left to right, atomic radius goes on decreasing. What is the reason behind that? When in period we grow from left to right, atomic radius goes on increasing. You have studied that the element present in the one period has same number of cells, then their atomic radius must be same. But why the when we go from left to right, why their atomic radius decreases? As you know that while going from left to right within a period, atomic number increases by 1, that is number of valence electron is increases by 1. That's why positive charge atomic number increases by 1 means positive charge in the nucleus is also increases by 1 unit. 1 unit positive charge is nucleated in the nucleus and one extra electron is added in the outermost shell. Due to that, increased number of nuclear charge, the electrons are pulled towards the nucleus to the greater extent. Therefore, their size decreases. What is the reason? But why atomic size decreases in period where why we go from left to right? Because when we go from left to right, atomic number increases. That is, atomic number is increases by 1 unit. That is, one positive charge is increases in the nucleus and one additional electron gets added in the outermost shell. Due to this increased nuclear charge, electrons are pulled towards the nucleus with greater extent than the earlier. Therefore, the size of atom decreases. When electrons are pulled towards the nucleus, their atomic radius decreases. That's why atomic size gets decreases. In your book, there is a element given according to period: lithium, beryllium, nitrogen, carbon, boron, oxygen. This is the element of the second period. Their atomic size is given 66, 68, 67, 64, 111, 152. Left to right, lithium is first element. When we go from left to right, you can see the atomic size are there increasing. Lithium is the first, then say beryllium is the second, and nitrogen is the third, carbon is the fourth, boron is the fifth, and oxygen is the sixth element, the third periods. So when we go from left to right in period, atomic size decreases. Now next is the what is the atomic size in the groups. In groups, while going down to down from top to bottom, atomic size goes on increasing. In period, we while going from top to bottom, the atomic size goes on increases. Why? Why the atomic size goes on increases when we grow in groups top to bottom? This is because while going down a group, a new cell is added. Therefore, distance between nucleus and outermost cell increases. As a result, atomic size increases. Therefore, in spite of increased nuclear charge. While going down to a group, atomic size goes on increasing because while going from down a group, a new cell is added. New cell is added, therefore distance between outermost cell and nucleus goes on increasing. As a result, atomic radius goes on increases. That's why atomic size also goes on increases. Okay. Next property is the metallic non-metallic character. As you know that in periodic tables, metals are left side, non-metals are right side, and in between there is zigzag line. On the border of zigzag line there are metalloids. Means zigzag line separate the metal, non-metal and metallite. Left to the zigzag line there is a metal, right to the zigzag line there is a non-metal, and on the border of the zigzag line there is a metalloids. Metals have capacity to have tendency to form cation by losing valence electron. When metals react with other element, they have tendency to lose electron from their outermost shell and form cation, means positive ion. Metals always lose valence electron from their outermost shell and form the cation, that is positive ion. This property of metal is called as the electropositive of an metal. On the other hand, atoms of non-metal has tendency to accept electron to form anion, that is negative ion. This property of non-metal is called as the electronegativity. Electropositivity, metals, atoms of metal has tendency to form cation, any positive ion, by losing valence electron. This property is called as the electropositivity of an element, and atoms or non-metal has tendency to form anion, that is negative ion, by accepting the electron from the outside into the valence shell. This property is called as the electronegativity. All the, as you know, in any atom, all the electrons are held by an attractive force which is exerted by the nucleus. All the electrons in atoms are held by the attractive force exerted by the positively charged nucleus. Electrons in the inner shell lie between the valence shell and nucleus. There are electrons present in the inner shell between the valence and the nucleus. Because of this presence, the effectiveness of nuclear charge, effective nuclear charge exerting an attractive force on the valence electron is somewhat less than the actual nuclear charge. And next, the number of valence electrons in atoms or metal is very small, that is 1 to 3. That's why the effective nuclear charge exerting attractive force on this valence electron is very small. As a combined effect of these two factors, metal have tendency to lose valence electrons to form the stable noble gas configuration. This tendency of element is called as the electropositivity, and electropositivity is the metallic character of that elements. The periodic trend in metallic characters of element is clearly understood in the periodic table. Let us consider the metallic character of element in the group. In a say, metallic characteristic of element in a belonging to the same group. While going from down to a group, as you know that a new cell is added. Due to that, distance between nucleus and valence electron increases, they say that is atomic side increases. This results the lowering the effective nuclear charge and thereby lowering the attractive force on the valence electrons. Also, penultimate cell become outermost cell on losing valence electron. The penultimate cell is complete octet, therefore resulting cation has spatial stability. Due to this, tendency of atom to lose electrons increases. Therefore, the metallic character of element increases while going down the group. Why metallic characteristic increases while going down the group? While going down the group, new cells are added. Therefore, the distance between nucleus and valence electron increases, that is atomic size increases. This affects the lowering the effective nuclear charge on the valence electron. And the penultimate cell become the outermost cell, form the stable noble gas configuration. This also increases the tendency to lose the electron. As while going down to group, the valency to lose the electron increases, and therefore the metallic character increases, because losing electron is a metallic characteristics. Metallic characteristic of an atom is tendency to lose electron. Therefore, while going down to the group, metallic characters of element increases. Now in period, while going from left to right, as you know that while going from left to right within a period, outermost cells remain the same. Number of outermost out cells remain the same. But positive charge, but you know that atomic number is increases while going from left to right. Atomic number is increases means one positive charge on the nucleus goes on increasing, while one electron is added in the outermost cell. Due to that, atomic radius goes on increasing. At, and the effective nuclear charge also goes on increasing. As a result, tendency of atom to lose valence electron decreases within a period while growing from left to right. And as a result, tendency of lose electron decreases, therefore their metallic characteristic decreases. Therefore, while going from left to right in a group, metallic characteristic goes on decreases and non-metallic characteristic increases. In total, we can say in group, while going down to group, the metallic characteristic increases and non-metallic characteristic decreases. While going from left to right in a period, metallic characteristic decreases and non-metallic characteristic increases. Now gradation in halogen group. The group 17 is called as the member of halogen family. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. These are the elements present in the 17 group. They are called as the halogen. They have general formula X2. Just say for example, fluorine. Fluorine has molecular formula F2. Bromine has molecular formula Br2. Chlorine has molecular formula Cl2. So these are called as the halogen groups. All the halogens have same chemical property, but there is gradation from down to bottom. The fluorine and chlorine are the gases, bromine is the liquid, while iodine is the solid substance. All are halogens, but fluorine and chlorine is the gases, bromine is liquid, and iodine is solid. Thus, your chapter 2 of the science first completed. Okay, thank you.